not even notice at the start, but Air Canada has an Airbus A380, bro. Like, this is proof it's real life. It's actually real life, bro. Oh my god. They just made it in YouTube video and it's in real life, bro. Oh my god, bro. I don't even this one, bro. Oh my god, even this one. Oh my god, bro. We did anyone notice? Cause we did not notice in the childhood, bro. We barely did not know. Did they just bought it like in this year or like last year, bro? We barely did not know. Like, barely. Like, I'm actually shocked. Genuinely. And they also have an Airbus A350. Let me show you guys for proof. They only have one real life picture, so yeah. Just look. This is proof. Like, this is the only real life picture they have. Look, the nose is an A350. Oh my, I cannot believe you, Air Canada. This is why I love your airlines. And we have another one. And we got the old delivery one. And we got this one. Oh my god. We barely did not notice in the start. But we did know they had a, wait. Let me just find it. Shit. 737 Air. Yep, they had a 737 Air Canada. I know this at the start of aviation, but I think a lot of you, but some of you don't know. Maybe some of you know, but I think some of you don't know. So yeah, they actually had They actually have a lot of real life pictures. And yes, these are one of my favorite angles, but I hate them when they're blurry. Yeah. But I cannot barely draw these angles. But bro. Well, that's it for the video today. Make sure like and subscribe and don't poop your pants at night.